Welcome back, guys. I hope you enjoyed the rest of the videos. In today's video I'm going to show you the update on the car. I went to Harbor Freight today. I'm going to show you what I got and what I'm going to do with those. So let's go check it out. Now take a look at that. It looks beautiful. My friend Luis did a great job. And if you're watching this, thank you again, Luis. Also, if you guys like his job and you live near Los Angeles, just let me know in the comment section and I'll help you out. Now let's get back to work. Since none of these metals work, I was using the angle grinder with a cutting blade, and you just have to cut off the bolt's head and then it's gonna screw right out. It's loose, it's super loose. As you can see, you can even turn it with your own hand. Look. Super easy. You just have to find this method. I actually found this method on the Evolution M website, on the forums. A lot of people cannot get it out, and what they advise is not to use the bolts, not to reuse the bolts, the factory one. Buy some new ones or buy the ARP one and just put those in. For 1200 pound-feet of torque, so you can take out these bolts easily from the crankshaft. You just put a little WD-40, spray it on it, and then just use this.
ground, trying to not think about you, whilst you're in my mind, screaming loud. Still so lost, scared to find reasons to not be without you. Wish I could hide my head in the clouds. You came out searching for a reason, came out looking to throw me around, but I'll be holding on forever. I thought that this time you would have to burn me down. I crumbled deep into the feeling that you leave me to drown. Yeah, I'm still holding up together. I thought that this time you would have to burn me down. You came out searching for a reason, came out looking to throw me around, but I'll be holding on forever. You won't bring me down. You came out searching for a reason, came out looking to throw me around, but I'll be holding on forever. I thought that this time you would have to burn me down. I crumbled deep into the feeling that you leave me to drown. Yeah, I'm still holding up together. I thought that this time you would have to burn me down. Yeah, you would have to burn me down, down.
Music keeps me on alone. You got the feeling. The music keeps me singing. Music keeps me dancing. Music keeps me dancing. Music keeps me dancing.
Before I finish today's video, I just want to let you guys know that in the next episode I'm going to start walnut blasting this whole thing, all the parts that I have, and especially I'm going to start with the cylinder head. I also bought all the things what I need for this job from Harbor Freight. It was like $100 with the blaster kit, the gloves, the mask, and the eye protection. Also, this is the 24 grit that I'm gonna use. And if you like the video, please subscribe, give us a like button, and see you in the next one.